Hello, hi everyone, welcome back. So this is Ramandeep Singh, and so today I'm going to be solving this problem, which is delete leaves with a given value. ठीक है, तो इसको हम solve करते हैं. So let's see what we have been given. This is a simple problem as we have solved the last few couple of problems. This is also simple DFS traversal. So let's read the problems. We have been given a binary tree with the root at this node root and an integer target. Delete all the leaf nodes with the value target. So we're supposed to delete all the leaf nodes of this binary tree with the value target. ठीक है. Note that once you delete a leaf node with value target, if its parent node becomes a leaf node and has a value target, it should also be deleted. And you have to continue doing until you cannot. मतलब सारे के सारे ऐसे leaf nodes delete करने हैं. Let's say if I have a complete path containing targets, so I have to remove the entire path as well. ठीक है. Like in this case, I can say this example 1, 2, 2, 2. So the target which I have to remove here is 2. So I'll remove this 2, it becomes this. So I'll remove this 2 as well, so it becomes this. This 2 should also be removed, so it becomes this. So let's take this example and understand the problem better. So we have this. One, and here we have 2. Then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 2, then we have 4. ठीक है. So this 2 we should remove because the target is 2. So remove this 2, the tree becomes this. Now since the target is 2, this should also be removed and this should also be removed. So the tree becomes 1, 3, 4. ठीक है. So how do we solve this problem? Think about it. Just pause the video here and think about the solution, how you will solve this problem. ठीक है, तो देखो, तो how we're going to solve this problem is simple. What we're going to do is we're going to run a post order traversal. So what is a post order traversal? So what is a post order traversal? Post order traversal says remove the current node after you, like whatever operation you are performing, perform the operation after you perform the same operation on the left and right subtree. So for this case, let's say if I am performing a post order traversal over this, then instead of visiting this first, instead of printing this node, I will be moving to the left node first, then to the right one, and then I'll come back to the current node. That's the order. So left, right, and then the root. That's why we call post order. Means the root comes post the left and right subtrees. Okay, so we just have to perform this post order traversal, and let's see how this will help us solve this problem. Okay, so I start my post order traversal from this node. So that means I'll have to visit the left first, so I'll move to the left one. Same goes for this, I'll have to visit the left first, I move here. So here I do not have any left child, that means left and right child. So this is the leaf node, this is the leaf node. Now I compare this value with the target. The target that I have is 2. So compare this target with this. Yes, this is a what is it? This is a target node. So from here I am going to return none. Okay, I am going to return none. And here again I can see that this is also 2. This again matches with the target, and this is also a leaf node. So from here I will also return none. So now I come to the right one, here 3, not a leaf node. Now since I am returning a none here, this becomes a leaf node, and now I again check here because it is a leaf node. So since it is a leaf node and is also equal to target, I will return none from here as well. This is, now I come to the right node, which is 3. Then again the post order traversal for this, move to the right, move to the left one, 2. Now this do not have any child and it is also a target. So from here just return none. So come here, no leaf, but not the target. So just return this node itself. इसी का पॉइंटर. So here now from this side I got none, from this side I got none. So the final tree that I would have would be this 1 3 4. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से तो मैंने 4 का पॉइंटर मिल जाएगा मेरे को, 3 के पास 4 का पॉइंटर है, तो यहाँ से मेरे को इस 3 का पॉइंटर मिल जाएगा. एंड दिस विल रिटर्न नन बिकॉज दिस विल बी डिलीटेड. So that's how this thing is going to work. So let's write this post order function. We will have node, then we will have we have a node, and then we have node, and then we have target. So if node is none, return none. Otherwise जो करेक्ट नोड है उसके लेफ्ट पे जाएंगे, फिर पोस्ट ऑर्डर के राइट पे जाएंगे. So this will like give you the pointer after removing the necessary nodes in the left subtree, and this I will store in the left side of the current node. And similar is for this second function call, where I'll be passing the right subtree and the value target. And I can see that here I am going to like this will again return its own pointer after removing the necessary target nodes from the right subtree. Then from the end what I am going to return is नो डॉट राइट नोड. हाँ ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या रिटर्न करेंगे, यहाँ से रिटर्न कर देंगे. हाँ अगर ऐसा है कि now here I will check if the current node is a leaf node. If node is none and left, ये बेस केस है बेसिकली, है ना, is none and node की वैल्यू is target. So this is a case where I have to like return what, none. So I'm going to delete that node right from here, otherwise return the node itself. ठीक है, cool है. So that's how this function will work. Let's jump to the code implementation part. सॉल्व किया, मैंने सॉल्व कर लिया, किया हुआ है, ठीक है. डेफ पोस्ट ऑर्डर सेल्फ एंड यहाँ हो जाएगा मेरे पास क्या होगा, नोड होगा, टारगेट होगा. इफ नोड इज नन रिटर्न नन. Then so once you have this thing, then what after that? So what do we have after that? Node dot left, node dot right. हाँ अगर ये लीफ नोड है, if is none and तीसरी चीज़ है node dot value is same as what? टारगेट तो रिटर्न कर दो नन, नहीं तो फिर रिटर्न कर दो नोड. Most of this work, this should work. Self dot post order. ठीक है. Got accepted. ठीक, एक्सेप्ट हो गया. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे एंड आई होप टू सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. टिल देन, बाय बाय लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.